So here's how to fix GeForce Experience installation cannot continue error. So first you want to right click on Windows logo, go to Device Manager, and in this window you want to expand Display Adapters, select your GPU, right click on it, click Update Drivers, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers, select your GPU, press Next, and then let it install the driver. Now once the process is completed, you can close out of this. Now you want to open the NVIDIA app again. So search for it in here and open it. Now you want to also open the File Explorer and go to C drive. And in here you want to click on the View button, click on Show and check Hidden Items. Now you want to go into Program Data and look for GeForce or NVIDIA Corporation. So press N on any folder and it will search. Then go into NVIDIA Corporation folder. In here you want to go into the downloader and you should see folders with random characters and numbers like this. So you want to click on one of those till you see a version like this. So look for the latest version. So for example, this one right here, it matches. If it matches the GeForce Game Ready driver you see here, the version below. If it doesn't, you can simply check for updates and download the latest one. Now, if you have a problem installing it, you can simply double click this and wait for it to open up. Now you will simply press OK and follow this process to manually install the display driver. And once it's completed, it should install the latest driver. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.